We are here at Steinbeck Plaza in Monterey, California. This is a childhood elevator of mine. I rode this when I was really little. In Montgomery. I think 3 is probably going to be locked, but we can try it anyway. Yep, 3 is locked. Let's go to 2.
Smooth.
Man, it's been a long time since I've seen these buttons. This thing actually used to scare me. It used to buzz constantly. And it sounds like the buzz is totally dead now. The indicator actually works. And that chime is new. OTIS phone. The buttons are sticky.
Yeah.
Let me look at the button real quick. Oh wow, that works now. Let's go back down to 1. I love this elevator.
It's smooth.
Yeah. Oh, there's 2 certificates. Well, this is the current one. CJ Anderson.